Welcome to Wall Street at Bryce Canyon, the toughest and steepest trail there. Average grade 28%, max grade 30%, 210-meter climb up, 68 degrees, run done at 8 p.m. on July 6, 2026. This is the starting line right at the bottom of the staircase and ending at the summit at the very top. Here we go. These are the highlights of the event. Total running distance, 756 meters, just shy of a half mile. No super shoes here. Alicia wears the New Balance 410 V8 trail running shoe.
I'm almost done. She did the whole thing in 5 minutes. Coming up.
Woohoo! New personal best, 5:59.21. First time under 6. Now for the leg flexing show and bicep flexing show. For new PR, my previous best was 6 minutes and 47 seconds. New personal best.
Okay.
July 6, 2026. 5 minutes, 59.21 seconds. Previous best was July of 2025.
Oh. Okay. She's pretty strong.
Yeah.
She's strong. She can whip me, I'll tell you that.
World record Weber getting a picture with her 13-year-old fan who witnessed the attempt. And click the link below for the previous best.